Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 200 EMA on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open TradingView, then go to indicators here at the top. Click on it, and you will see here the search bar, type EMA, and choose this one, Moving Average Exponential. Okay, don't choose any one of these. So click on it just one time, and this is our EMA. Now let's change it to a 200 because this one is a 9 EMA. So click on the gear icon, go to input, we have here length, change it to 200 and click on OK. And now this is our 200 EMA, as you can see. So to change the color, uh, go to EMA 200 and click on the gear icon, click on style. We have here color blue, click on it and you can choose any color you want. So I will choose, for example, this pink, as you can see, or red. Now we have here the thickness of the EMA. You can also change it, for example, this one or this one. Click on OK. And as you can see here, we have our 200 EMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.